Hey doctor, my name is HING. Our group owner of HING, which include my teammate Angelique, Hoyi, and the co-founder, will presenting our project titled Video Game Sales Analytics. We are using a video game sales dataset that contains the global sales information across the different platforms, region, game title, genres, and the publisher. This project aims to explore such insight by performing the data pre-processing using R, followed by the interactive data visualization using Power BI. In the upcoming section, we will present about the data processing step, key finding, and the interactive dashboard we create to help understand the video game market better.
Good day, doctor. I'm Angelique. I will now explain the data pre-processing using R, followed by the visualization and insight we discovered. Our goal was to clean and prepare the raw dataset so that we could analyze it effectively and later visualize it in Power BI. First, we began by importing the dataset using read.csv and loaded the necessary libraries including tidyverse, ggplot2, readdr, and dplyr. To ensure consistencies, we clean the column names and remove extra space and replacing all space with underscore. This made them easier to reference in our code and visualizations. Next, we handle missing data. We filter out rows where the years and publishers value were missing because these are important for our analysis and would affect time trends and publisher comparison. We also transport several columns. We convert names, genes, platform, and publisher into vector types so that they could be grouped and visualized easily. The years column was converted into an integer to enable accurate chronological plots. Then we record platform codes like PS2, S360, and V into their full names such as PlayStation 2, Xbox 360, and Nintendo Wii. This made our final charts and dashboard easier to read and interpret. After data was cleaned, we generate several visualizations using ggplot2 to explore trends and patterns. First, we create a horizontal bar chart of the top 10 best-selling games. As expected, Wii Sports stand out with extremely high global sales, mostly due to being bundled with the console. Franchise titles like Grand Theft Auto and Pokemon also rank high, showing that established series tend to dominate the market. Second, we analyze global sales by genre. The action and sport genre was the most popular, contributing the highest total sale globally. This aligns with player preference for competitive and replayable experience. Interestingly, genres like puzzle and strategy show much lower total sales, indicating more niche audience. Third, we plot global sales over time. We noticed a peak between 2008 and 2010. Likely due to the popularity of platforms like the Wii, Xbox 360, and PlayStation 3. After that, global sales declined steadily, possibly reflecting a shift to mobile and digital distribution platforms this dataset doesn't capture. Finally, we visualize total sales by platform. The PlayStation 2 led the chart, which made sense because it has one of the largest game libraries and a long life cycle. Nintendo platforms like the Wii and DS also perform strongly, reflecting their broad family-friendly appeal and innovation in the campaign. This visualization helps us understand the market across time, genres, and platform roughly. The clean data will be saved into a new CSV file to guide the Power BI to build interactive visual using the clean data from R.
Hi, I'm koefangrustudent740. The graphs are also presented using a Power BI dashboard which allows for interactive data exploration and clear visual presentation. This is our Power BI dashboard. Our first plot uses a horizontal bar chart created by R-Script Visual to display the top 10 best-selling video games. In this R-Script, we first load ggplot2 and dplyr for visualization and data manipulation. Then We group the data by game name and calculate the total global sales using summarize function. Then the results are arranged in descending order of total sales, and we select only the top 10 games using slide underline head n equal to 10. After that, we use ggplot function to create a bar chart where the x-axis is the game name reordered by total sales, and the y-axis show the global sales in millions. Then the chart is customized with a minimal thing rotator axis label for readability and no legend. Lastly, the reason that we chose a bar chart to present the top 10 because it is highly effective for comparing categorical data such as game titles against the numerical values like global sales. As you can see, real sport leads by a wide margin. Next, a pie chart is used to show the proportion of global sales by genre. The reason of using a pie chart because it is useful for visualizing the share of each category as a whole. In this case, it helps us to quickly understand which game genre contribute the most to the total global sales. As you can see, action games are the most successful genre, followed by sport and shooter games. After that, we use a line chart to visualize global sales over the time from 1980 to 2020. The line chart is ideal for showing trends across the years, allowing us to observe the industry growth and decline over the time. There is a peak between 2008 and 2010, followed by a decline, possibly due to the rising of mobile and digital gaming. Next, we analyze the top performing gaming platform using a lollipop chart created by RScript Visual. This RScript generates a lollipop chart that displays total global sales by gaming platform. First, load the libraries for visualization and data manipulation. Next, instead of using bars, the chart is built with GeoM underline segment function and GeoM underline point function, which create the stick and teddy part of the lollipop respectively. The coding underline flip function rotates the chart horizontally, making the platform names easier to read, and the theme underline minimal function for a clean appearance. This visualization is effective for comparing individual values while maintaining a clean and minimal design. Each line extends from the x-axis to a circular marker, which represents the total global sales for a platform. The longer the line and the higher the marker, the greater the sales. As you can see, PlayStation 2 and Xbox 360 stand out as the top platform in terms of global sales.
Okay, now let's take a look at the top performing video game publisher using the tree map visualization. This type of chart is perfect for display the hierarchical data and comparing the proportion within a whole. Each color rectangular represent a game publisher, and the size of the box reflect that the publisher's total global sales. As we can see, the Nintendo stand out with the largest area, indicating its strong dominance in the global sales. Another major contributor including Electronic Arts, Activision, Sony Computer Entertainment, and the Ubisoft, showing their significant impact in their gaming industry. The next is the stacker column chart, showing that the video game sales by the region over time from the 1918 up to 2020. Each column represents a year, and the stack within each column represents the region sales, including the Japan, Europe, North America, and another region. From this visualization, we can observe a clear growth trend, especially from the early 2000 to the around 2010, which was the peak period of the global sales. In conclusion, Power BI proved to be a powerful tool in the visualizing and analyzing the video game sales data. Through a variety of charts, we gain a valuable insight into the top-selling game, dominant genres, top platform, leading publisher, and the regional sales trend over time. Compared to the static visualization in the RStudio, Power BI offers a far more dynamic and user-friendly experience. One of the best features of the Power BI is interactivity. For example, when I click on one of the box in the tree map, let's say Nintendo, all the another visual on the dashboard automatically update to show the data relate only to Nintendo game. This dynamic filtering helps us to explore the relationship and pattern between the publisher, platform, region, and more. That's all for our presentation. Thank you.